Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Uh, Today we are going to a Taj Hotel in Delhi. So I'll be staying there for a single night. It's a sponsor stay from my client. So I'm gonna be staying there for one night. So I'll show you my dikhabo hotel kinika ase. Taj Hotel do all over India de tai naam thaka like ta hotel ase. सबसे बेस्ट होटल दे ताज होटल एक आसे सो मैं दिखाबो पिनखान ये होटल किनिका होटल ভিতর দে रूम किनिका आसे तो पिनखान फॉलो কৰি থাকিবি আৰু আপুনি মোলা চ্যানেল দে নতুন থাকিলে প্লিজ চ্যানেল সাবস্ক্রাইব কৰি দিবি না কিতিয়া বড় 7200 সামথিং দে স্টাক হৈ কিনা আছে ওপৰ বি নে যায় নিচে বি নে যায় ইনিকাই থাকি আছে এটো কানি প্লিজ চ্যানেল সাবস্ক্রাইব কৰি দিবি আৰু ফলো কৰিবি আৰু মই ভিডিও ধালাদম দে Guys, be active. Come on, yaar. I know my exhale over the break. That is why she can like I don't know you kind of like fall asleep. But right now I am trying to put up a video every single week. So please follow up Kuribi or mala videos can moi thala dande comment down Kuribi. You know whatever it is that comes in your mind. Apna munde ki ahe comment Kuribi. Because if you comment, then I also know that I can be interested, you know, like in the contents that I put up, and then you learn something or you get something out of the videos that I put on. So please follow up Grippy or channel subscribe Grippy, like button be mari divi, phal lagile or apni khan la bhavna bi comments Grippy so that we can discuss about it, right? So guys, please follow me. Moi apni khan ke dikhabo Taj Hotel kinika ase bhitor de pura. So let's have fun. Yeah. That the entrance of the hotel. Guys, finally one room de punchiche. Tumala room la view ase. The first view. Water bottles, wine glasses. That's me. Let's head to the bedroom. Main room. Ta-da! Look at this cozy bed. Room biche tangro no, hole bi bale ase. Looks comfy. There's an fruit tina ase, takhan welcome fruit. TV. It looks so comfy. The best part is my room la view. Abin khan mi nichor sabi. Ta-da! This is the view. The swimming pool ase. Monokan swimming pool ase. Swimming pool ase. Aro idu restaurant ase sate. Idu baki dusra hotel la view. Aro idu park. Mon sundur no hoy. Just imagine if you have this view in front of your house. What will you do? मैं तो होता है साथी खान के माटी की नहीं दिखाई था क्यों? But this view is like, it's awesome man, awesome, just awesome. itu pura fall view और कोते पाओ. I think I just need to take a shot for my thumbnail. क्या दिखाओ washroom. Washroom की कहाँ से? So, the bathtub is here. The pitore po yana kusur go pare pani fill kurna. They have all the equipment here. Colgate, toothbrush, kusur go la cream, lotion. Yede भी ऐसे shower gel, hair conditioner, hair cleanser, towels. And this is a mirror. This is a toilet. And another shower room. This is the shower room. So what do you think guys? I think overall it looks fantastic. The room is not so big, like it's very comfy. So guys, this is my room for one night. Ek rati karne. Life day, like once in a while, you need to give yourself a time. Abani nichor karni bhi time kibo lage na. मैं kan bishi manu life day 3 रात मेहनत करे मकान ला फ्यूचर करनी फ्यूचर डे की होबो होता है इदु भाबी किने मकान टेंशन होय थाके अरो मकान खाली फ्यूचर करनी भाबी थाके ओले भी बिशी मानु मकान ला जीवन देना महान इंसान आजी मकान आजी ला लाइफ किनिका थाकिबो आजी किनिका खुशी थाकिबो इदु बाहुरी जाय मकान खाली फ्यूचर करनी करने कमाई थाकिबो काम कर थाकिबो तंगी निशना काम कर थाकी किना फ्यूचर होला तो दिखा भी नहीं दिखिने बिशी मानु लाइफ खत्म हो जाला मकान दिखिबा एतो कारणे लाइफ ते ना साथी कान it's very important to give yourself a time, give your today the importance. Sorry, kali to kali ase kon bada bhi dikhya nahi kali tai nichor karni kali ola tai nichor karni bhabi kina tai pareshan hoi ko nahi nika kahawa dikhta ase. The tomorrow doesn't even know itself what it is in store of him. So why waste your time or why waste your energy? Why get emotional? Why get tense? Why go into depression for something which you have not seen? Hai bole latin apni nachanya latin to bhabi kine ki karne apni tension hobo lage ki karne depression hobo lage. Live your life today, enjoy it. Every moment counts in this life. Now makana life day किमान मोमेंट आया से चाया से तो हम सब काउंट करे तो करने अपनी ला हाथ ते थाक्या ला अच्छी ला दिन तो खुश पड़ा था कि बोले ट्राई करके itu mola message ase